everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set price alerts on Webull. So, here is how you can easily do it. Open your Webull application and also make sure to log into your account. Now, navigate to the menu button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on Price Alerts under Messages. Tap on the I want to set up price alerts button at the bottom left and tap on Add Alert. Select the stock you want to set the alert for, or simply type it in the text box. Now make sure that the toggle button is turned on right next to your stock and tap Save at the bottom of the screen and tap on Enable Now option in the pop-up. You'll also need to turn on the notifications if you've not done that already, and once you've done it, you will be able to add price alert on Webull. Once you toggle on the button right next to the stock, you can now choose the type of alert you want to set, such as price, volume, news, or price movements. Simply go ahead and set the price alert by toggling on and off these buttons over here. You can also schedule your price alert. Simply go ahead and add the frequency for your alerts, and after selecting all of the parameters, you can tap on the Save button in order to set up price alert on Webull. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.